member of our Skyepharma team is committed and motivated. People share information, communicate together, and together find solutions. That's what you can see just behind me. This kind of daily huddle avoid around 50 mails per day, and this allowed people to focus on right first time and on-time delivery, which is key for our clients.
At Skyepharma, I have the opportunity to have transversal missions. This allows me to work on 3 positions with different teams. I am a laboratory technician above all, and I also work as a sales support and help the marketing department to update its digital strategy. It's very fulfilling.
Once a week, all the services are gathered in this room in order to talk about the different projects. The objective of this meeting is to anticipate and prepare the work to perform and also solve the different problems on the project. The good atmosphere and the team spirit and also the freedom to communicate reinforce our flexibility. For example, we recently managed to avoid market rupture for one of our clients.
For me, teamwork is about sharing knowledge and experience. When an anomaly occurs during production, quality assurance and production team meet around the line to investigate, find the cause, and define actions to be taken.
Team is number one, a unique and committed team for your projects.